let me get my thing going. Don't.
What thing going?
Well, let me start, like, you know?
What start going?
No, because you're making me laugh, and so, no.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Someone from some other village. This is Sarah. She is American, but she's trying to be like African.
I am 1/16 Indo.
From some Rancho Cucamonga tribe. This is Corey. I don't know. What he do like 60 times. That's Andre. I don't know why Jamaica come to America, but and that's Tracy. The Miss Laugh. Come back to the African tribe.
Yes,
The villagers. So.
that is me.
Yeah.
The one and only, huh?
CNN will be right back. Bye.